Hey, Wagwan, it's your girl Natalie, and today I'll be making a traditional American dish, tuna noodle casserole. Your kids will enjoy it, college students live on it, I love it. It's easy to prepare, so let's get started. So I've gone ahead and preheated the oven to 400 degrees. I also cooked my egg noodles for 5 minutes. And now that we have all the ingredients in front of us, we want to add it to the mixing bowl. 1 cup of milk, 2 cans of mushroom soup, whisk until we get rid of all the lumps. Perfect. Next, a cup of mixed vegetable, two cans of tuna, a package of egg noodles, and we fold in all the ingredients. Pour into baking dish. Yes. And we want to make sure that everything is even. Add approximately a cup of breadcrumbs. You just sprinkle it on top. And the same for the cheese, approximately a cup. And we place it in the oven for 20 minutes. After cooking for 20 minutes, I let it sit for 10 minutes to settle. Oh, delicious. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Now that I've introduced you to traditional tuna noodle casserole, you can experiment and make it your own. Instead of using tuna and cream of mushroom soup, you can add chicken and use cream of chicken soup. Instead of mixed vegetables, you can add corn, spinach, or shrimp. Instead of breadcrumbs, you can add crushed Ritz crackers. The important thing is to make it your own. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If Nat can do, so can you.